Hey guys, I am Lainey.
And I'm Daniel.
And we are here in the Grenade kitchen, ready to whip up some yummy protein treats.
We are. I'll tell you what, I'm excited for this.
Are you good in the kitchen, Dan?
I'd love to say I am, but I'm not particularly. No, I make quite a mess, so I need to learn something today that I can take home to my wife and treat her, I think.
Okay, well you're in for a treat now with these yummy protein truffles. Let's get started.
Let's do it.
Okay, Dan, we're gonna get you making some of these energy balls.
Let's do it.
Even you could do this.
This is gonna be amazing.
So we're going to take 2 of the Grenade Caterpillar Go Nuts bars. These are amazing.
Love them. Absolutely love them.
They're vegan and they taste delicious, and they're going to be even more delicious in these balls.
So you just do a bit of that, yeah?
Yeah, and that's why you're not allowed to be in the kitchen.
I'm good on my feet, not my hands struggling. I think we'll leave that bit down there actually.
Yeah. So we quickly just blitz this up. You can get one of these hand blitzers anywhere in any supermarket.
Love blitzer. Blitz, that's well and true. Oh no,
okay,
it's one little bit.
We've still got a little lump, so
blitz
we're just going to blitz it all up till it's a nice kind of flour-like consistency.
Okay.
And there we have it, so you can see.
Love that.
It looks like a nutty, chocolatey flour. And we're going to add in my special ingredient, which is some Hydro 6 chocolate protein powder.
Get some of that in there.
Yeah,
just
yeah, you do your sous chef.
Balance this on my head maybe or something.
So now that we have protein in there, that's adding it into the mixture. We've got 7 grams of protein per truffle. So that makes it the perfect pre-workout.
Love the protein. Pack the protein in. Oh, there you go. I've just got that for you there.
Yeah, and then we've got some sugar-free syrup. Now, you can use honey or maple syrup if you don't have access to some sugar-free, but it's going to add to the sugar content. Whereas right now,
you want to keep the sugars down.
Yeah, right now there's only 3 grams of sugar.
Okay, pretty good.
So it's a proper healthy on-the-go snack.
Very nice.
And the best thing about these balls is that we are going to add a nice thick layer of chocolate to the outside.
Ooh, and that is this stuff, I believe.
Final ingredient is going to be...
This stuff is such a dream.
So good.
It is very good. I have it on my toast every morning.
I'm more of a stick my fingers in it.
Are you? Just get involved.
Lick it off.
Yeah, lick it. Yeah, I'm not quite there. But
50 grams of that, and it's a little bit messy. A little bit messy. You have to get your fingers in there.
Okay.
And then again, we're going to blitz it all.
We're going to blitz, guys. We're going to blitz.
As I lick my fingers.
Let's do it. Oh, that looks delish.
I'm just going to make sure all the ingredients are in there. Give it another little blitz.
Just got to get that perfect consistency.
Yeah, because you want it to stick together. So that's why we've added in the sugar-free syrup.
Very nice indeed.
What a quick blitz.
Okay. Blitz?
Yeah. So now, let's see. It's kind of like cookie dough, except better. And healthier and better for you. So I've got this handy little ice cream scoop.
Yep.
And it makes perfect size little balls.
Nice.
So literally just scoop right. You have to get your hands dirty now.
Okay, I'm getting involved.
Get involved. I need some help. Make this a speedier procedure. And then you literally just mold it like dough, like Play-Doh, except tastier and probably a lot healthier for you.
A little bit of that.
Oh, you see, I feel like you've done this before.
I have in the other take. There we go.
Oh, yours actually looks better than mine.
Yes. That is because I'm a pro.
Yeah.
2019 is going to be my year in the kitchen. I'm just believing for this. My wife's going to be so
Your wife
impressed.
was hoping for it.
She's going to be loving it.
So, get these done, and then we're going to put them into the freezer just to firm up before we cover them in chocolate. God, they're a bit of a messy procedure, but it's worth it in the end.
And it's not my kitchen, so I really don't care. Oh, look at that.
Beautiful. So we're going to just pop these in the freezer.
Oh, it's blue pizza styling. I'm believing for this.
Here are some I have previously popped in the freezer.
That I made, guys. These are all me.
You can see the dodgy looking ones.
That's my little baby one.
May have been produced by Dan.
Yeah. Well, I got better though, didn't I?
Yeah. And now the fun part, we are going to cover them
clean up.
in chocolate.
Oh no, it's not the clean up.
No. We don't do that cleaning up. So we've got some lovely dark chocolate here. So this is like a 70% dark chocolate. So again, keeping your sugars low. So this is, again, a little bit messy, but it does have a delicious outcome. So just literally get your truffle, pop it in.
Pop it in, roll it round.
And the fork just helps to avoid making marks. You want to make it look all pretty. And then...
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. And then you just pop in another ball. And I just put them on the baking tray and then just pop them in the freezer again, just for a speedy recovery. Yummy.
Yeah,
and you could add extra things to the outside, some crushed peanuts or some coconut, whatever you want, but I just think the chocolate is just enough for me.
Sometimes this is simple and effective, I think. This looks good.
Now, we're just going to pop these in the freezer again, and then we've got our finished product.
Oh, okay, so we've got some we've already done. Another Blue Peter moment, guys.
Here's some.
Here's some.
Here's some we prepared earlier.
Guys. That I prepared, personally.
How pretty do they look?
They look great. I think these guys know, if they're watching, that wasn't me at all.
So the proof is in the pudding, or in the protein ball, per se. So go on, try one.
Let's have a little look.
Try one.
This one, I think, is the one. I feel like I have to try some sort of trick with it as well, but I think I'm just gonna...
Are you gonna eat it, or are you gonna play with it?
I don't know, I kind of want to like, do a little trick like that, just because you can, and then you try it after.
I know I'm not meant to say because they're my recipe.
Oh, let me say it. They're bang average. No, they're amazing. They're so good.
These are like one of my favourite recipes, so...
You've done well. I'm going to add that to my list of things that I make, which is
you actually made something.
the only thing I'm going to be making. But they're very good.
Thank you for watching this recipe, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as Dan has enjoyed eating them.
That's so good.
If even Dan can create this, you can create it yourself at home, so make sure to tag Grenade in your at-home creations.